say, read the book. Hello and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another reading vlog. So this time this reading vlog has no theme. It's going to be me mood reading for a week because I got tired of reading the same genre for themed videos. I have been reading only rom-coms for the last 1 month. So now I'm tired, like literally tired. I don't want to read another rom-com. I want to cleanse my palate and read something else. So I started this book called That's Not My Name by Megan Leary. I enjoyed No Place Left to Hide. So I have been thinking about reading this book. So one, I was craving for thrillers, and two, I wanted something super fast paced, like not just mystery or that excitement. I just wanted something heart pounding thriller which I will binge in like a day. That's what I did. I decided to film my entire thought process or what I was thinking while reading the book, but then I was so engrossed in the story and it was Sunday, so I was taking like a break. Like I wanted to read, just sit and read. That's what I did. I read 40% of this book on Sunday, and then I also went out to a book exhibition. I have a very few clips from there, but I did enjoy my time there. There were so many books. I didn't get any because it was mainly for Marathi books, and I read Marathi books from library. And I mean last 1 साल से तो मैंने वो भी नहीं पढ़ा है, but I really enjoyed seeing all the books. So there were so many books. There were like 4 aisles, दोनों साइड पे थे stalls, and it was so huge. It was in the ground. That's the best way to spend your Sunday, right? Like sit and read and binge a book, and then go and see a lot of books and a lot of readers. Like इससे ज़्यादा और क्या चाहिए? Anyways, let's talk about the book. I read 40% of it on Sunday, and then I finished it on Monday. Like less than 24 hours I finished the book. It was that good. Like she knows how to write a page turner book. Like you will have that feeling कि मुझे जानना है कि आगे क्या हो रहा है. Our main character gets in an accident. She wakes up on the side of a road and she remembers nothing. She has lost her memory. She don't know who she is. A cop finds her, so he takes her to the police station, and then a guy comes claiming that he is her father, and he has everything. He has birth certificate, he has her identity card, everything he has, all the documentation. So after background check, the cop lets her go with the father. So you can see where this is going, right? That's what happens. And there's another part to the blurb. Okay, this is the blurb. I'm not spoiling anything. There's this guy, Drew, whose girlfriend goes missing. His entire town thinks he has done something. The sheriff thinks it's him, and he has all his attention on him. Like he is not trying to explore or think कि कुछ और भी हो सकता है. They have just zeroed on him, and he's trying to find her. Like he wants to find her. We see his efforts and his mehnat in finding his girlfriend. All I want to say, read the book. There are a few things which didn't make any sense, but it's a debut book, if I'm not wrong. So I'm okay with that. Like if you think about that book and the second book, I think it's okay. She has figured out कि उसने कैसे कहाँ कहाँ पे plot twist छोड़े थे, and she has tried to not do that in the second book, which is good. I mean, they are not connected, but you can see the writing evolve and improve, right? So that's what I noticed. Basically, a rom-com should give you butterflies. A thriller should give you that heart-pounding urge at the edge of my seat kind of a feeling. Ke you want to know कि क्या होगा. You shouldn't be able to stop thinking about the book. That's what happened. I expected it from her book, and that's why I picked that one up because I wanted a good palette cleanser. I have a few clips which I will roll now. I don't have a lot. That was my first book. Now I don't know what I'm going to read. Okay, I finished that yesterday and I haven't really started anything. I was filming another video. If you can't tell by my top, I don't know what you're doing. Go watch my other video. But I I just filmed, so I don't really have any time today to read anything. But I will go and flip some pages and see कि मुझे क्या पढ़ना है. Definitely not a rom-com. I know I have a lot of rom-coms on my TBR, but I don't want to read anything. I'm thinking about this book called. So I'm thinking about reading this book. No. So I'm thinking about reading this book. It's called Age of it's a long title, okay. It's called The Age of Enchantment. Correct, मैंने correct बोला था. Chronicles of Vedavai is the series का name. So I'm thinking about reading this one. I know it's giving very academia vibes, even though it's a middle grade fantasy. So I don't know if I'm in the mood of this book, but I'm gonna read a couple of pages of this book. And the other option is I already have it in my hand, and it's called A Sentence to Murder. It's a cozy mystery. I have already started this series, so I know the characters. There's a bookshop. There's an author who is our main sleuther. So I don't know. I might pick one of these two, or I have a Indian thriller book on my TBR, and it's very short. So ये तीन है option. I'm not gonna give you blurbs because why waste your time? अब तक तो आपको याद हो जाएगा कि इन बुक्स में क्या है और इनका ब्लर्ब क्या है. So I don't want to waste your time. So I'm gonna see what I want to read and I will update you whenever I'll pick something up. That's it. अभी भी मैंने नहीं देखा है कि इसको कैसे एंड करते हैं. Bye. I like how the sunlight hits and how natural the light is here. But अगर मैं ये साइड पे फेस करके बैठूंगी ना तो the background is not that good. So I can't do that. I'm trying to figure out another angle so that आपको सिर्फ ये दो background ना दिखे and we'll have some more angles. Anyways, I am reading this book. It's Wolfish and I don't know. I mean, I thought it was a mystery thriller, but maybe it is a mystery thriller because there are murders happening and then I mean there's this romantasy author who writes dark romantasy about wolves. So her book's main love interest is a werewolf. So that's what we are seeing. But at the same time there are some murders happening in Goa and people think that they have seen a werewolf. Like the injuries are not natural. So they think it's a werewolf and some people saw a werewolf. That's what they thought. So now our main author who is getting slammed for her writing and how she is romanticizing the wolf and his unnatural act, how her books are not feminists anymore. So that's what we are seeing. So she's lost and she's in the writer's block. So she decides to go to Goa to see kya hai exactly. So that's what is happening. I'm 50, 60 pages through the book. आज मैंने 30 pages पढ़े. So it's Sunday and it's Champions final match going on. Champions Trophy की final match is going on right now. So everybody is watching match. So I'm gonna read this in the background because और कहीं जा नहीं रहा है कोई भी. So I'm gonna read. I'm gonna listen to my audiobook or journal. Like I'm gonna do all these things because एक ही Sunday है. एक ही दिन मिलता है मुझे जिस दिन मुझे सारी hobbies करनी होती है. So I'm gonna do that. मेरे पास और कोई option नहीं है. Okay, like I have a few things. Like literally, the thing is, I don't know if I put that clip in or not. I made this spread for reading वाला spread, जहाँ पे मैंने ये finally उस दिन draw किया. अब ये complete करना बाकी है. So I'm gonna do that today, hopefully. But अब the thing is कि पहले मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि मैं इतना सब करूँगी. मैंने सिर्फ I was going to write the names. That's why there are some bows on the top. But now मुझे लगा कि चलो if I'm going to junk journal I'm gonna beautify everything so let me do this page as well, like let me do this properly. I'm gonna read and I'll give you an update. Also, I don't know if this is a fantasy book or a mystery book. I mean there are fantasy elements but I think it's a mystery book because since they have also said that it's a thriller, so I'm considering it's a mystery book with some fantasy elements mentioned. And at the same time I think I have figured out कि क्या हो रहा है because it's too obvious अभी तक. But अगर वो नहीं हुआ and then the author decides to twist the things up, then I don't know. We'll see what happens. जो मुझे लग रहा है वो हो भी रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. We'll see that. And that's it. And the cutie. Like, look at the cutie. Look at her. Please look at her and only her. Okay, look at her. She is so cute. मैंने decide किया कि अब तो मैं finally इनको use कर लूँगी. I have like more than 7-8 such Upin bookmarks. तो आई हैव डिसाइडेड कि मैं एवरी बुक के लिए एक एक करके यूज कर लूँ उनको, बिकॉज इट्स बिन कपल ऑफ years since I have them. So and it's perfect, it's matching because she has that pink and black and white elements, and the beast on the cover is also pink and black, you know, so she's perfect for that. It's the next day, and I finished this book yesterday. It's less than 200 pages long, so it was easy to finish. The chapters are small, but the story doesn't flow smoothly sometimes. Like, there are times when it just gets cuts off. So, that wasn't my favorite part. But I love to see Goa in this book. Like, there are beaches, there are some local markets, shops, parties, even restaurants, clubs, everything. We see Goa in this book a lot, and I like that. Our main character, I wasn't really connecting to her. Like, I knew that she had some issues. She had a dark past. Like, they say that she has some demons and all, which is how the author tried to give her some depth, which is okay. Like, that part was good. But I could not connect to her because, one, she fell for the guy, whatever, the potential love interest. Like, after meeting him like 5 times, she's in an unknown city. She has like seen him 5 times. They haven't really even talked. It's just that, oh, he's so good looking, so she fell in love. Like, that's the most ridiculous part. I could not connect to it at all. There was no chemistry at all. So I wasn't really sure कि क्या चल रहा है. एक तो I wasn't sure कि क्या चल रहा है. Like, what is the genre of the book? Like, I knew it was thriller, but then there were so many fantasy elements. I got confused. Is it a fantasy thriller? Is it a mystery thriller? What is happening right now? So that is good, honestly. Like, don't go and check ke kaun sa hai genre. That way you'll keep on guessing. You will enjoy this book even more. There were some plot twists. I guessed a few things, but there were times when the plot twist actually hit and it was surprising. In all, I enjoyed it. I don't know what rating I want to give it right now. I also finished one other book, and it was an audiobook, and I continued the wait, now I know the name of the series. It's Murder by Month rom-com mystery series, and I finished March of Crimes while doing things, journaling, you know, as usual. I finished it, enjoyed it. I like that there was a very creepy vibe to it again. She goes from different themes, like the author tries to do different themes in every single book, which I really like. So this time the sleuther found a body inside a life-size doll. Creepy again, so creepy. So this time she got herself arrested for the crime, and now we see how she is trying to clear her name and how her friends are trying to help her. Really interesting. Finished it like this, like I just had to know कि क्या चल रहा है. There were things which I didn't expect. There were things which I knew, but of course you can't really guess everything because सब कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ था ना. Like, there were few things which weren't disclosed before the ending. So of course I didn't know कि क्या होगा और कैसे होगा. And I immediately started the last book in the series, which is April Fools. I was initially thinking कि मैं next month पढ़ूंगी, but you know what? There are too many days and I have that audiobook, so I thought might as well listen to it. This time she has gotten a cryptic note and she's trying to figure out okay, how it is connected to her. Does that note actually mean something? And she's trying to find out, and she's getting some revelations about her own self and people who are close to her or not so close to her, but who are in her, you know. I listened 20% of it yesterday, so I'm 50% through that. I mean, it's going good. I mean, I don't have anything to say. It's just that it's entertaining. I am guessing कि क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं हो रहा है. I don't have anything to say much about that book. But I think that's it for the vlog. So those were all the books I read in this one week. It started as a like let's see mood read kind of a situation. Then I ended up reading only murder mystery slash thriller books. Of course, this one has some fantasy elements, and I don't want to confirm कि exactly क्या genre है इस book का, because then it becomes obvious and it's easy to guess. But there are some thriller part to it, like that thriller element to it. So I'm gonna consider this in thriller because fantasy हो या murder mystery हो, it is thrilling. So basically I read only mysteries in this week, even though it was mood reading. I literally read only mysteries because I was in the mood of a mystery genre. That's it. So I read a lot of different kind of sub genres of mysteries, which I really liked because I didn't want to get into another theme and like put myself in a reading slump. I didn't want to do that because right now I'm in a romance book slump. Today, a couple of weeks ke baad I'll pick those books up because I have some summer TBR and I'm excited for that. And I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.